Hey everybody, so I think 3 years ago I did an unboxing of the Beats Solo 2, so I'm gonna refresh everybody's, so if people saw that video, so refresh everybody's mind. I don't know why I cut the plastic, I just cupped it. So yeah, you slide it open like that. You got your Beats logo, and then you go like this. I'm just doing like a quick refresher, and then I'll do the review part. So it's like a mini unboxing again of it, and then it says change the way you hear sound. Then when you open it up, you'll see this, but I don't have the carabiner on it. So I'm just doing like a quick unboxing again. And you got your paper stuff, and this is where the carabiner goes, and that's where the cord goes. So I'll show what's in here again. So I'm just doing a little refresher for everybody. So it's a mini unboxing plus a review. So you get your paperwork, you got the Beat sticker, and then you got that's all your booklet, a quick start guide. So yeah, this is just a little mini review. I mean, not mini review. This is a review and a little mini unboxing is what I was supposed to say, but I messed up. But who cares? Like this, so it's easier. Together, and then I'll show the headphones. So yeah, I had these headphones. These were my first. Actually, no. Yeah. So yeah. I think I had the Beats pill first, and then I got these headphones. So I'm doing a review on the headphones because I used them the most in the pill, I think. So that's why I'm doing this review first, and then I'll do the pill, and then so on. I'll worry about the plastic later. Okay, yeah, so that's what you get is that. You have your carabiner. Case is a little dirty because I've been using it. So yeah, here's the headphones. You got the cord. So one thing I noticed with the cord. So when I wasn't using these, I put them back, and I wrapped the cord out the way it was supposed to be, and then it's original cardboard thing. So one thing I noticed about not using it for a while is I'm in Canada, Ontario, so the temperature here is a little wonky. So that's probably what caused this thing to happen. I don't think it's okay. Yeah, there's no signs of it on this. But yeah, one thing I noticed is with the cord. See, it looks fine because it is fine. But one thing I noticed with the cord is when I opened it up when I was gonna use it again, is it was really sticky, like something got sticky was on it, and that's not the way it was when I put it away. So yeah, so if you put them back in the box and don't use them for a little bit like I did, that's what will happen. Is it'll get sticky and it'll look like something got on it when nothing did. So you just take like a wet wipe and wipe it down, and you're good to go. So yeah, here's the headphones. Still in pretty good shape. I used them a lot. I still use them because I like them. They're really good. I don't think they smell new anymore. Yeah, they don't smell new anymore. The new smell is gone on them. Yeah, they work pretty good still. So to do this review, and now I'm not having it plugged in my phone, and I'm not saying this video because I want to do this in one take. That way it's easier. So I'm using the Easy Cap Super Cassette Capture as the music player thing. Instead of having it plugged into my phone, even though I can do that, I can have it plugged in my phone. But at the same time, it might pause the video, I'm not sure. So this will be an upcoming review is on this. So yeah, you plug it. Oh, wrong way. Headphone jack. Okay, so here. This is loud. This converter gets really loud. So the fitment. I'll show you. Yeah, so the fitment's really good. So so what I'm doing is I'm listening to Whitesnake, Slip of the Tongue. Right there. Okay, so I'm gonna set to the max. This thing gets really loud. Yeah, that's really loud. So it sounds really good. I don't know if we get copyright for this, I'm not sure. But yeah, it works really good. They're really comfortable. Yeah, they're really comfortable. So I really like them because I had them for 3 or 4 years now and they still work like new. So I have no issues with them at all. So they're really good headphones. And they're so I didn't really buy them, but they're worth the money because I got somebody bought them as a gift because they noticed I liked Beats. If I hit stop on this thing, yeah. So somebody bought them for me as a gift. That's how I got them. Yeah, they are pretty much worth the money. I recommend them. They sound good, and they're pretty sturdy too. So put it over there, show you how sturdy they are. So yeah, they're pretty sturdy as you can see. I don't want to break them, but yeah, as you see, pretty sturdy. Yeah, so far they're not. Okay, there's no cracks. Just to make sure, but yeah, they're pretty sturdy as you can see. I don't want to go too far because they'll break. I know they will if I go too far. But yeah, they're pretty good headphones, and they're definitely worth the money in my opinion. So yeah, I got a few more reviews lined up that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably do my Beats reviews first, then I'll do this, then I'll do my Wish headphones that I got. Yeah, thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.